Hello YouTube, and in this video we are going into the beautiful Newtown Creek on the Isle of Wight. Newtown Creek, or Newtown Harbour, is a natural harbour which lies a few miles to the east of Yarmouth. Newtown is a national nature reserve and is a haven for seals and bird life in a beautiful and unspoilt location. You can land on Newtown Quay and go for a walk into the historic village, but if you need a bite to eat and a pint, then you need to head up to Shelfleet Quay and take a short walk to the New Inn pub. So our first mark that we need to look for is there's a Cardinal that guards the entrance to the channel, and we need to go north of that and then turn 90 degrees in. We're approaching at the moment from the east, so we'll spot that Cardinal and then we do a nice tight 90 and then we're on the approach channel into Newtown. You see there's a stick in the water just there. See it's red and white, and it's white and it's got the Y shape in it. What's the depth? 2.4, excellent, okie doke. So once we've passed the Cardinal mark and we're on the way in the channel, then what we've got to do is we've got to aim in. Now this Y-shaped marker used to have a ball that was on the peninsula on the land there. That appears to have disappeared now, so you're just kind of making a straight line, just a beeline for it. So at this point the entrance opens up quite widely now and you can see your way in, and it's relatively deep going through between those two sandbars, and then it gets shallow really quickly the other side. Newtown Nature Reserve. Right, you see there's a red and black buoy there? Yes. Yeah, so leave that one well to port. Once inside the harbour, you need to find a spot to stay. Along the western arm there are a series of mooring buoys, but very little room to drop anchor. We are headed along the eastern arm, and whilst there are a handful of visitors' buoys, the rest of the area is available to drop your hook. Though it is very shallow, and the seabed is not level either, so you need to choose your spot with a great deal of care, and of course you also need to avoid the other boats. The harbour's managed by the National Trust, and there is a charge for using their mooring buoys. If you anchor, you don't technically need to pay, but the harbour master does come round in his boat and asks for donations to the National Trust to help with the upkeep of the nature reserve and historic buildings and quaysides. So there it is, Newtown Harbour. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.